So this is going to be about substitutions. I've got my little man here to help me out demonstrating. I got my little staff here. The first substitution is going to be with a halo roll. So a halo roll is kind of like here, around like that. He's missing his little arm, but we won't let that stop us. And if you tilt the head back, then instead of doing the halo roll, it wraps across the throat and keeps on going. So from here, which would be the halo roll normally, you get the head back and you can put the throat wrap in there and keep on going. So that's one of the simplest substitutions. You can substitute that into an angel roll. And similarly on the front, if you have a front halo roll like there, then if you bend your head forwards, oh, he's not very good at this, come on, forwards. Then instead of it going across here, the neck gets in the way and it has to do a neck wrap, like so. Now, if we look at the white end, we go back to the halo roll. If the white end starts outside, it does half a rotation. So from there to there, half rotation, and then that would be a full rotation to get back to the start. So the halo roll just does a half rotation. So if we put the throat wrap in, bend its head back, here, it goes across the throat, ends there, then it's done a full rotation. I mean, you could argue that it ends there, but it's kind of the same thing. Whatever way you want to view it, the throat wrap, or wrapped in general, do an extra half turn, or if you want to view it as a quarter turn. Then we've got the devil halo roll, the downwards halo roll, which comes up and across and wraps around like that. Pretty complicated. So I'm doing it across here, and then it would continue. Yeah, and that substitutes with downwards neck wrap. So downwards neck wrap is down here. So if I'm coming across as I would normally start it to this shoulder, instead of it doing the downwards halo, it wraps behind the neck and up there. So normally, obviously, it is going to want to fall off, but with friction and a bit of speed, maybe a little bit of a throw, you can get it to come back around again, anti-gravity style. Now, on the front side, it's just the substitution for the halo version is just a downward throat wrap. So you can see again it's going to want to fall off here, like that. But the substitution is hard to describe. It does that kind of weird anti-halo. It starts there and I pull it and isn't it? Oh. I'm not sure how it goes with the wee man. The substitution for the throat wrap is the really strange downwards chest halo. I can't even, how is it? Like, here would be like,